In the sunlight zone, there's the cuttlefish. The cuttlefish, surprisingly, isn't a fish, but a cephalopod. So, they're genetically closer to octopi and squids, rather than cuttlefishes or clotterfishes, as their name deceptively implies. The cuttlefish looks a bit like a squid, except sideways with bigger heads and tentacles facing forwards. They have a large brain, which unsurprisingly makes them one of nature's smartest invertebrates. And that's actually a pretty high bar considering the suspicious things octopuses have been doing under the shadows. The cuttlefish have 8 arms. Yes, they're apparently called arms, not tentacles, I don't get it either. Plus 2 tentacles used to suck prey, as in grab them. They may look cute, but be careful, they're venomous, especially the flamboyant cuttlefish. On their goggly eyes is a W-shaped pupil. They can see the polarization of light but are colorblind. But their colorblindness doesn't restrict them from using their very special ability. Their blood have a cyan hue, mostly because it contains copper, which is a common trait among sea creatures. The blood is pumped by 2 separate hearts, one that reaches for the gills and one that reaches to the rest of the body. They have fins around their body, they wave it around to get through areas. So no, they don't maneuver around using their arms, as fun as that would look. Their diet consists of small fish, mollusks, small octopi, squids, and even birds. Now comes their special ability. The cuttlefish are known as the chameleon of the sea, but the fact that they're even compared to the chameleon is an insult to their amazing camouflage. They can change their shape, texture, and color to match their surrounding. This trait far exceeds that of any creature on Earth, such as octopuses or chameleons. They can even change color in darkness, but how do they do it? They have this thing called chromatophores, these little ink sacs that can control the hue of their skin. Under that is the iridophores, which changes the nature of the light it's reflecting, and leucophores, which can reflect light to emit brighter colors. It's with this they can hide from prey and predators and communicate with other cuttlefishes. They also have another ability, though not as impressive as camouflage. They have the ability to spout ink, though to be fair, this should be a trademark trait among cephalopods. They use it to distract foes and confuse prey. This weird creature is one of many in the vast and deep sea. And that's the cuttlefish.